Welcome to EIP's first healthcare and life sciences event. It's lovely to see you all here in person and everyone joining online as well. It's been a while since we've had events like this with people in person, with all the disruptions over the past year because of COVID, and it's nice to see that innovations in the life sciences have actually helped get us back towards normality again, so we can have events like this in person. So today we're going to be looking at some trends in life sciences and healthcare into the future to see where innovations might be coming from in the next few years.
So genomics, when we think about life science innovation, particularly in the healthcare sector, genomics is increasingly playing a very important role in innovations in this sector. And in our day-to-day work as patent attorneys, we are really seeing the convergence of two revolutions, the digital revolution and the genomics revolution, both of which started out in the 1950s. But I think it's taken a few decades for us to really realize the benefits.
So on the right-hand side, it's my representation of what we call personalised medicine or precision medicine, which Monica and Joanna have already been talking about. So it's all about providing personalised care to an individual patient. So you're giving better medical care, better medicine, better health care, rather than just giving you a generic off-the-shelf pill tablet treatment, which may or may not work for you. So it's all about the individual, and it's all based on that data from that individual.
Now we have at the far left emerging technologies, which tend to be, there might be things like continuous glucose monitors or biomarker assays, as was discussed in the talks earlier on. But these produce data, and lots of data. And then so you have big data. Then how do you get insights from that data? And this is where artificial intelligence is coming increasingly in play, because artificial intelligence can get insights which humans would struggle to get.
I just highlighted here, to me, it was fascinating listening to the medtech, the talks. Obviously, I don't really understand the science, but there's an incredible amount of stuff going on, and it's an interesting sector from a business point of view because it's so new. And to me, that means there are lots of opportunities in relation to brands. You don't really quite know where those businesses are going, and that means you may as well have as many advantages as you can. So obtaining not just, but the incredible innovations that are going on and protecting them is key to have a successful business, but you may as well create distinctive brands